Hey everybody, here I am in Moscow, Russia, and I'm near Tverskaya, Chekhovskaya, Pushkinskaya metro stations, and I'm at a place called Grable restaurant, and it's a great restaurant. A little expensive, but if you like Russian cuisine and you like Eastern European cuisine, this is one of the places to go. I come here probably about once a month because, like I said, it's a little expensive, but it's good Russian food. So let me show you kind of where we're at. All right, so right down this street, Tverskaya Street, is the Kremlin. Right there. Red Square in the Kremlin is right there. Just walk up Tverskaya Street, and here you are. So it's one of my favorite places in Moscow to hang out because there's a lot of bars, cafes, and cool places. And you got some old Soviet stuff going on right here. So yeah, it's a nice place to hang out and see the sights. But yeah, there's a lot of cool Soviet stuff around here. And Pushkinskaya Square is just right over there. Ah, shit. Anna. Never mind. Oh man. So let's cruise inside. Oh man, nice. It's okay. No. So I go make this video and there's a bird eating my food. Yeah. Oh man. Cheers everybody. Oh man. Okay, so I saw a bird eating some of it. I think I can save some of it. But yeah, if you come to Moscow, come to Grable, and yeah, yeah, there was a bird up here, and eating my food. Just little bits of it and stuff. I can save some of it though. So anyways, yeah, come to Grable, have some good Russian cuisine. So anyways, yeah, so right here, got some soup right there, tomatoes and cucumbers right there, pickles, yeah, right there, And then there's mushrooms, sausage, and potatoes. So, yeah. So anyways, yeah. I think I can salvage some of this. It was just one bird, kind of just chilling here. So anyways, all right, I'm gonna relax, eat some of this food, and then drink some beers, and then just relax. So, all right, like I said, if you come to Moscow, come to Groble, eat some good Russian cuisine, and yeah, it's a good place to eat. Okay. All right, it's time to chill out and eat some food.